Hello, thank you for choosing Woodbrid, hybrid wood products that last. In this video, we'll be detailing how to properly install the deck using Woodbrid's Composite Decking. The installation process will be broken down into 3 major steps: installing the bullnose, installing the inside deck, and installing the final board. Here, we have the frame for a typical deck. We recommend using 16 on-center joists for the frame. Once you have your frame, we can move on to step 1, installing the bullnose. First, we measure our frame in order to cut an accurate length for the boards. When you are ready to cut, it's important to note that the same saw used to cut regular lumber will also work with Woodbrid boards. When securing the boards, you'll be using the installation clips sold separately. Each package of clips covers 50 square feet, with 2 clips being used for every square foot. We recommend using 8x2 screws for a proper fit. Before drilling into the board, twist the screw into the clip by hand until it pierces the other side. When fastening the boards with the clips, do not completely tighten the screws. Instead, drill them in just enough to secure the boards. Repeat for the other 3 boards. Step 2. Installing the inside deck. First, we'll measure the inside of the rough framing to see how many boards we'll need and what length to cut them. When cutting the boards, you'll need to leave them 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch short of the rough inside framing measurements. This will ensure a proper fit. Once you place your first interior board, you can completely tighten the screws attached to the bullnose before it. Follow this process for the rest of the installation. Secure the board, place your next board, then completely tighten the screws between the boards. Repeat this process until you reach the very last inside board. Step 3. The final board. For the deck being constructed in this video, all boards fit perfectly inside the bullnose. But if you find your last interior board does not fit, you will be using a trim board. The trim board will appear normal on top, but underneath will have guides going lengthwise. Cut along these guides for the width necessary to fit inside the deck. Once the final board is installed, ensure that all clips and screws are completely tightened. Some boards might not have enough nailer to keep the board level. If this occurs, it may be necessary to use a trim gun to nail down any protruding boards. You are now free to walk on your new, beautiful Woodbrid deck. And thank you again for choosing Woodbrid. For more information, visit our website at woodbrid.com.